a lady worked at a meat distribution factory. One day, when she finished with her work schedule, she went into the meat cold room, freezer, to inspect something. But in a moment of misfortune, the door closed and she was locked inside with no help in sight. Although she screamed and knocked with all her might, her cries went unheard as no one could hear her. Most of the workers had already gone, and outside the cold room, it's impossible to hear what's going on inside. 5 hours later, while she was at the verge of death, the security guard of the factory eventually opened the door. She was miraculously saved from dying that day. When she later asked the security guard how he had come to open the door, which wasn't his usual work routine, his explanation: "I've been working in this factory for 35 years. Hundreds of workers come in and out every day. But you're one of the few who greet me in the morning and say goodbye to me every night when leaving after work. Many treat me as if I'm invisible. Today, as you reported to work, like all other days, you greeted me in your simple manner. Hello. But this evening, after working hours, I curiously observed that I had not heard your hi, see you tomorrow. Hence, I decided to check around the factory. I look forward to your hi and bye every day, because they remind me that I am someone. By not hearing your farewell today, I knew something had happened. That's why I searched everywhere for you. Be humble. Love and respect those around you. Try to have an impact on people who cross your path every day. You never know what tomorrow will bring.